about to step into action with us unboxing the Tomahawk VR Gun Stock, alright? And this is gonna change the game for you VR enthusiasts out there. So, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be looking at the Tomahawk VR Gun Stock, and I'm really excited because this is actually my first gun stock, and I've been playing VR so much. But as this is my first gun stock, not gonna lie, me searching for a gun stock and seeing all those other gun stocks out there, I really wasn't liking the design is one. Two, I don't know, they just look weird. And when I saw this one, I particularly was just like, this one looks really good, amazing. I've even seen some of the people playing with this thing, and bro, we're gonna be unboxing this. We're gonna be assembling the whole gun. So if you're here for that, let's get started. Hey, they got the little cool sticker on there. Goodbye box. This is the box. This is what it looks like. Hey yo. So if you guys want one for yourself, go to Scholar's website. It's going to be in the descriptions. And also if you use code DarkSukia, you'll get 5% off. And have to say, before you get this, I know the Quest 3 and the other VR sets, he's also making some for these, and he will be making an upgrade for that Pacific console. So hey, look forward to this. So if you don't have a VR gun stock yet, so let's jump right in. We got the first piece here. Oh snap, what? He sent me the red one. Oh, this is cool. This is cool, bruh. I didn't expect to get the red one. Wow. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Oh my gosh. Got these. Got this part. Make sure all your parts is in there. These, yep. Ooh. There we go. But man, I'm still off the fact that I got this red one, bro. I'm excited. All right. So let me show you guys a nice good detail of all the things you should be getting in your box here. Alright, first thing you need to do with your controllers is take this off. You can tell I've been utilizing this for a long time. So we're just gonna take these off. You just pull the inside right here, just like that, and it comes right off. So I got the left and right. Got the left side here. You will start off with take this part off. I did take this off. So the one that has the flat side on it, that's where the magnet is. You want to take your controller, go ahead and just put that in there. You're going to take this part here, slide it right under that, and you put it under here just like this. So take that, put that in there. We'll take the top of this and we'll screw it together here. I wouldn't put it all the way down because we're going to be assembling it to the stock here. Got the controller here, left side, same thing. Slide that in. Yeah, bro, this is really nice and snug, man. Yeah, this is nice and snug. I didn't really think this is about to upgrade a brother's game to the maximum. I thought I was good without the tools and stuff. This is about to be an absolute game changer. Whole thing here. So this part here, and this part here, we're just gonna slide these through. All right, that's in. And then just tighten it. Okay, look at that. Nice and snug. Right there, just like this. Right there. Slide that down, push this through. Also, I will be doing a in-depth like review on this, so I can have some time playing with it and any like things I feel about it and stuff. So definitely subscribe if you guys want to see that. This will be definitely coming after this video. So yeah, now let's assemble the left controller. I'm actually gonna take this off just because that was in the way. I'm just gonna slide that just like this. There we go. And just slowly slide it onto this side here, just like that. Yeah, it was easier doing that with that off because for some reason I just don't want to break. I just feel like this is thin as it is already, so I ain't about to play with that for real. So yeah, the quality on everything he did on this is really nice. All right, so this part here, this is where your gun is going to snap to it here, just like this. So wherever you adjust that to your eyesight is how you're going to do it. And then you can just easily just slide off like this if you need your hands and stuff. So this is tough. So let me test this out. Okay. I'm actually been on my knees the whole time, guys. Like, I'm 6'3", and this crap, bruh, there is nothing for my height. So here. Ooh! So you can just tighten it just like this. So the placement you want it, you can tighten it right here on the side here. Go into this. Boom. Definitely the next video, y'all, make sure you check it out. I will be doing a full review on this. I just feel like as a review, you should be testing it out, bro. You should be testing it out. So this is just the unboxing. I just wanted to show y'all that. So, but hey guys, you tell me what you think about it. I will be doing a whole review on it on the next video. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Also, again, if you guys are thinking about buying one for yourself, I have a code in the descriptions. Use code DARKSUKIA. You guys tell me what you think if you end up getting one. Like I said, I am going to be doing a in-depth review, so I hope you guys see that. And then also drop some questions that you have for this for the next video, because I'll be answering probably like 5 questions about this at the end of the review. So hey, you guys let me know. But I appreciate you for watching, and like I said, by time this video should be up with the review if you end up seeing this video. But other than that, I catch you guys next time. Peace.